Hello, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. This time we're going to be talking about something that I really had not thought I would ever use, and I've got some organic extra virgin olive oil. It's in a, well, if it's got propellant in it, it's nothing that I can smell. I had to get some sort of cooking spray so that when I was preparing my breakfast sandwiches that it didn't stick to it. And I will tell you this, when I sprayed the mold with this Pompeian extra virgin olive oil, it didn't slick. In fact, when I took the rings up, it just slid right out of the ring and went on. So this is something that I'm going to be using more of. In fact, I've got another hot plate type cooker coming. We'll see how it responds to that. I'm anticipating the same as well, because this one, with even having the melting cheese and the egg and things that were draining off, it didn't miss a beat. It just came right off. If you've been concerned about olive oil because about the taste, I couldn't find any taste in it. So it did the trick for me, and I'll be getting more of this one because once I find something that works, I have a tendency to stick with it. So take a look at this today.